Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I post videos about mobile earning apps, websites, cryptocurrencies, and many more to help us earn extra income. For today's video, I'm gonna share an exciting app specially to music lovers. You can earn on this app just by listening to your favorite music. The name of this app is Current Rewards. You can download this app on Google Play and App Store for free, and it's available worldwide. You may sign up using your Gmail account or phone number. The app has 100,000 radio stations worldwide that you can listen to and enjoy the music. As long as the music is turned on, you're earning. And the longer you listen to the station or test out new radio stations, the more points you can earn. The points you earn can be converted to PayPal cash, gift cards, or special items they offer. This app offers so much ways to earn points. You may complete tasks that fits your interest and earn points. You may also watch advertisements and earn points. You may play your favorite music on lock screen, but make sure to unlock it once in a while to activate your earnings. The songs on this app are up to date and you can even easily find your favorite songs and artists. Save them to your playlist and listen to them when you're offline. I'm really enjoying this app because I'm a music lover too. This is like Spotify. It just doesn't have a monthly subscription, but it gives you the opportunity to earn instead of you giving them your money. This is my current earning as of today, and beside it is the history. The minimum amount you can cash out is $1, and the maximum amount is $20. I was able to cash out my first earning on this app, which was $3 in just a matter of days. Register on the link below and enjoy your favorite song. Thank you for watching. Please take care. Bye!